Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is set to launch on June 6 in the global market. This is Vivo's first foldable phone to be released globally. Fast refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display, flagship processor, flagship camera setup, good-looking design, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro in black. It's the highest variant with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. The box is black and comes with convenient plastic wrapping that we will remove. The box features Vivo's branding on top and Zeiss branding on the right, with a mention in Chinese about Vivo and Zeiss's joint research. Opening the box, we first see the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro in its unfolded state. Let's set the phone aside for now and look at the rest of the box contents. Here is the 120-watt fast charger, a Type-C to Type-C data cable, and a phone case with a plain leather texture. That's everything in the box. Now, let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design and build. The front display is very flat, while the back of the phone is black with a matte finish. The camera module is rounded and slightly bumpy. Folding the phone gives a nice sound when the lid closes. The matte black design is impressive, though you can see some fingerprints from the side. The hinge area is also black with a matte finish and is flat. The frame of the phone has a matte finish as well. However, if you look closely, the edge of the frame is glossy black. A nice feature of this phone is the sliding switch for mute, which has a textured surface. The camera module's design includes a decorative golden ring with textures, giving it a premium look. The Vivo logo is at the bottom left. The back of the phone, though, feels a bit plasticky. The phone feels a bit bouncy at first when hovering, but you can hover at any angle. The hinge is also made of plastic. The phone weighs about 236 grams, with a thickness of 11.2 mm when folded and 5.2 mm when unfolded. In this video, I just covered the unboxing and first impressions. Tomorrow, I'll provide a detailed review and reveal the global market price of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. So stay connected with our channel. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.